Welcome back to Adventure Pulse, your go-to channel for discovering the most fascinating places on Earth. Today, we're diving into the vibrant heart of Moscow, Russia, to explore an architectural masterpiece that has captured the world's imagination for centuries, St. Basil's Cathedral. St. Basil's Cathedral, officially known as the Cathedral of the Intercession of the Most Holy Theotokos on the Moat, is more than just a building, it's a symbol of Russia itself. Located in Red Square, this iconic structure with its colorful, onion-shaped domes has stood the test of time and remains one of the most visited landmarks in the world. The vision of Ivan the Terrible. The cathedral was commissioned by Ivan IV, commonly known as Ivan the Terrible, in the mid-16th century. Ivan ordered its construction to commemorate his victories over the Tatar Khanates of Kazan and Astrakhan. According to legend, Ivan was so impressed with the final result that he ordered the architects, Varma and Postnik Yakovlev, to be blinded so they could never create anything so beautiful again. While this story is likely apocryphal, it underscores the dramatic impact the cathedral has had on Russian culture. Architectural marvel. One of the most striking features of St. Basil's Cathedral is its unique design. Unlike the traditional Russian church architecture of the time, which typically featured one large dome, St. Basil's boasts a total of 10 domes. Each dome is distinct, varying in size, shape, and color, which gives the cathedral its whimsical, fairy tale appearance. The cathedral is composed of 9 chapels arranged around a central church, with each chapel dedicated to a different saint. This arrangement creates a labyrinthine interior that feels both intimate and expansive. The use of color, pattern, and texture in the exterior decoration is unparalleled, making it a true feast for the eyes. Symbolism and design. The design of St. Basil's Cathedral is rich with symbolism. The central church, which is the tallest part of the structure, represents Jesus Christ, while the 8 surrounding chapels symbolize the 8 days of the Eastern Orthodox Church's liturgical week. The number 8 is also significant in Christianity, representing the day of Christ's resurrection. The vibrant colors and intricate patterns of the domes and facades are not merely decorative, they reflect the spiritual and cultural diversity of Russia. The use of red, green, blue, and gold is intended to evoke the image of the heavenly city described in the Book of Revelation. Historical significance. Over the centuries, St. Basil's Cathedral has witnessed numerous historical events. It has survived fires, invasions, and political upheaval. During the Soviet era, the cathedral faced the threat of demolition multiple times, as the atheistic regime sought to suppress religious symbols. However, thanks to the efforts of preservationists, it was saved and eventually became a museum in 1929. Today, the cathedral is not only a UNESCO World Heritage Site but also a powerful symbol of resilience and cultural identity. It serves as a reminder of Russia's rich history and the enduring power of faith and artistry. Inside the cathedral. Stepping inside St. Basil's Cathedral is like entering a different world. The interior is a maze of narrow corridors, spiral staircases, and small chapels, each adorned with stunning frescoes and iconography. The walls are covered in intricate patterns and religious scenes, creating an atmosphere of profound reverence and beauty. One of the most remarkable aspects of the interior is the iconostasis, a wall of icons and religious paintings that separates the sanctuary from the nave. This ornate screen is a hallmark of Eastern Orthodox churches and adds to the cathedral's sense of mystery and grandeur. The legend of St. Basil. The cathedral's popular name, St. Basil's, comes from a local legend about Basil the Blessed, a Russian Orthodox saint known for his piety and prophetic abilities. Basil was a holy fool, a type of ascetic who lived in poverty and renounced worldly possessions. He was greatly revered by the people of Moscow, and Ivan the Terrible himself is said to have feared and respected him. Basil's simple grave in the cathedral's Trinity Church became a pilgrimage site, and over time, the entire cathedral came to be associated with his name. This connection to a beloved local saint adds a layer of spiritual significance to the already awe-inspiring structure. Visiting St. Basil's Cathedral. For those planning a visit to Moscow, St. Basil's Cathedral is a must-see. The cathedral is open to the public, and guided tours are available to help visitors fully appreciate its historical and architectural significance. The surrounding area, including Red Square and the Kremlin, offers a wealth of additional sights and experiences, making it a perfect destination for history buffs and culture enthusiasts alike. Conclusion. St. Basil's Cathedral is more than just a stunning piece of architecture, it is a testament to the rich history, culture, and spirituality of Russia. From its unique design and vibrant colors to its deep symbolic meaning and historical significance, every aspect of the cathedral tells a story. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the world's most iconic landmarks. If you enjoyed this exploration of St. Basil's Cathedral, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Adventure Pulse. Until next time, keep exploring and let your adventures pulse with excitement.